What happened? Wait, something happened. Why is my... Let me rejoin. What is happening, guys? Is my voice audible? Why is it happening today? Is my voice audible? What is happening? This... Whenever I'm switching tab, is it losing connection? Did you guys missed all this? What did you guys missed? Did you guys missed anything? Okay, I will explain again. Everything missed. Okay, I'll explain again. Don't worry. So where should I explain? Okay, let me explain again from Bhargav and Abhidham. Okay. Okay. So is my screen visible now? Is my screen visible now? YouTube Live also same problem. Today I don't know. It is not a problem from my side actually. I don't know. Hmm. My internet. Let me check my internet speed. My internet speed is okay. My internet speed is okay, guys. Sir, where I'm trying to select full stack internship in IIC portal, internship already started. Uh, Pujit, see, you have my drive link. In that drive, there I have already shared the manual. Okay, please go through that. If not for IIC portal, please take help of your college faculty. Okay, otherwise, like I have already shared a manual. So today we are missing whole class. Your voice is not audible. Screen is not visible. Sindhu is saying. Not getting live section in YouTube since 40 minutes. Okay, we have already told it in the group and we have already raised. Okay, Miss Pratiksha and Rohan has already raised it with ops team. Now, first tell me if you are able to like hear me or not. Okay, because um, my internet speed is okay, guys. My internet speed is okay. Internet speed is okay. In laptop, yes. In mobile, not at all. Okay. Sir, we can hear your voice, Medhavi. Not audible, Akhilesh. Drive link. Okay, drive link I will give. So drive link is this. Take this. So laptop users are getting good connections and rest are not getting good connections. Okay, whatever it be. Mentors, is my voice audible now? 404 error.
Yes, yes, it's audible.
Okay, okay, thank you. Aye. Mm, okay, just give me a moment. Out this link. Is the link working now? Okay, so Shiva Reddy already has. My voice is not audible. Well, okay, it is audible, guys. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? See if you are able to see this. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let us do it. Okay, understand. So there are two friends, okay? There are two friends. Who are these two friends? Abhiram and Bhargav. Okay, Abhiram and Bhargav are two friends. Okay, to understand this, just give me a moment. So Abhiram and Bhargav are two friends. So Bhargav has given Abhiram 100 rupees. Bhargav has given Abhiram 100 rupees. Okay. So Abhiram, Abhiram is a very good friend. So he will return the money. But let's say he does not return the money. So there are two options. Two option. One, return the money. Second, he does not return the money. Okay. So two options you have to keep in mind. Okay. Uh, Wait, let me check. Is my voice still breaking? Is my voice still breaking? Are you able to see the screen, guys? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. So, Abhiram returns the money or does not return the money. So, there are two choices. Okay. There are two choices. Abhiram returns the money and Abhiram does not return the money. Okay. So, if he returns the money, it is called as resolve. If Abhiram does not return the money, that is called as reject. Okay. There was a pending state in old JavaScript. Okay, what is this written? Okay, pending state. Okay, in old JavaScript. Okay, in old JS. Okay, pending state was there in old JS. Okay, so keep in mind. So there was this pending state, but this is the new feature, resolve and reject. And promises are a part of ES6. Okay. Promises are a part of ES6. If I just write it here. So like promises were introduced in ES6. Okay. ES6. They're part of ES6. ES6. Okay. So they were introduced in what? 2015. Okay, so these are all things that can be asked in interviews, and also you should understand these things. Okay, so when there is a heavy function call, we use what? Promises. Okay, when there is a heavy function call, okay, and what is this heavy function call? What is this heavy function call? Any idea? So a heavy function call is nothing. It is like, let's say, for example, okay, for example, you get clothing store data. Okay, you get clothing store data. Clothing store data. Okay, you get clothing store data from Reliance store. Okay, so it is like very complex from a different city. Let's say from a different city. Just give me a moment. From a different city. Okay, from a different city. So this is what a heavy function call or heavy operation looks like. Okay, so I have given an example. For example, this function represents what? Function get yz data. What does this function do? Okay, not this color. Let us use this one. Okay, so this means what? Get all the stores data from Vizag. Okay, so all the stores data from Vishakhapatnam. So this function will get all the stores data. Okay, let me write it. This function, this function will mhm, okay, this function will, okay, clear. I'm not able to write. This function will get all the stores data from Vizag. Okay, clear. So there is one thing that it will load. Okay, it will load and it will take a lot of time, okay, to get our data, and also it can fail. So you have to keep in mind that it can fail. Okay, this operation can fail. Okay, so instead of writing this, we can use this operation can fail also. Okay, so this operation can fail. This operation can fail, okay, and give error, and thus it will give us what? Error. Okay, so understood. So these are the things that are involved in promises. Okay, and with code we will understand it more clearly. Okay, with code we will understand it more clearly. Okay, here I should write two options. Two options, I think I should write two options. Two options. Okay, so there are two options. One option this, second option is that. Similarly here also, first is resolve, second one is reject. Okay, understood. Let us understand it with a code. Okay, with code we will understand it more clearly. Okay, let me share this in chat box so you can follow along. So I'm pasting this in chat box. I'm pasting my Excalidraw link. Okay, and I will also like save this as an image. Okay, just in case if you're not able to understand or anything. So understood. What are the two conditions of our promises? So there is resolve and reject. Okay, so earlier what used to happen, earlier what used to happen, our functions were in pending state. Okay, they used to pending, there was no nothing. Okay, there was nothing, they used to load. Okay, but nowadays there are only two things: either it will get resolved or it will be rejected. Okay, and in old it was like pending state. You can write it down. Okay, uh, keep on getting loaded or buffering. If you know, the old YouTube used to buffer a lot, so it keeps on getting loaded is better. Okay, keeps on getting loaded, keeps on getting uh, loaded and hang. Okay, hang. Hence we would wait for a very long time and not get the results. Okay, That would be better. Okay. So let me see. Let me.
Sorry for interruption. Your voice is breaking.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Is my voice breaking, guys? I don't know what issue is there today. I'm using the same connection. Guys, is my voice breaking again? Okay. So let me just zoom in a little bit and let me just delete this just in case. I'll delete it. Okay, and we will write the pending state more clearly. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Hmm. And then we will move it a little bit downwards. Hmm. Okay, and let me write something. Hmm. Array. Before promises, okay, which is actually what? Resolve and reject. Okay. Were introduced, we had pending state. Pending state. Okay, pending state. Okay, we had pending state. And what does this pending state means? This. Okay, this is what pending state means. Okay, so I'll just make it a little bit like this. Okay, and here I will like add something. Okay, so just keep in mind that before promises were introduced, we had pending state, and pending state means that it keeps on getting loaded, okay, and was hanged. So hence we would wait for a very long time and not get any results. Okay, so this was pending state. Pending state means that it just hangs. Okay, I'll just write it hence, comma, okay, hangs. Would be better. Hmm. Okay, clear. So this is what pending state is all about. Okay, and before it was getting resolved and rejected, it used to just hang. That's it. In simple terms, it used to just hang. Okay, that's it. Okay, so don't need to like make it a little bit more complex. Okay, so understood this much. Like, what is this pending state? Pending state means this. Okay, so understand. Clear? Any problems? Okay, let us review it a little bit. So resolve and reject. What is this resolve and reject? Let us understand it in code and then we will implement in React. Okay, and also everyone understood this loaded function. Okay, so loaded function is like this. Okay, getting Vizag data. Okay, so it will take a lot of time because you are getting all the data from Vishakhapatnam. Okay, and either you will get a D or data or it will be failed. Okay, so let us understand it with code. Okay, is my voice still troubling? YouTube class is still not coming. Okay, let me just raise it. So Miss Pratiksha and Rohan has already raised it. Okay, in the group. Not audible, still not audible. Okay, so I've already raised it. Okay, and internet issue for phone. Okay, let me see if I can. I have also raised. So we three have raised it to our ops team. Now let us wait. So I hope now this is clear to everyone. Okay, now let us do it in practice. So what will happen if your function will keep getting hang, or if you will not see any result? Okay, let's say you make a function get Hyderabad data. Okay, so all the people living in Hyderabad's data you want. Okay, all the people, their name, address, or anything. So what will happen? Will it get stuck, or will there be anything else? See. Sir, explain, sir. We are not audible. Am I audible now? Attendance you will get, Tapeta. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks. Okay, okay, okay. Huh. So you missed all this again? Have you missed everything regarding this? Do you want me to explain it again? See, it is very simple. See, I am making a function. Okay, let's say get all the data of people living in Vishakhapatnam. Okay, their name, address, Aadhaar card, everything. Okay, let's say not Aadhaar card. Let's say any important details, their college details or anything. So I am making that function. Okay, this function. Okay, now in old times they before in 2015 before 2015 this used to get hang. It was like it was stuck most of the times, or it would keep on loading, keep on loading, keep on loading. Okay, so it was like, see, I have written it here. Okay, it used to get, before like promises were introduced, so it was like in pending state. There was no result. Okay, it was just keep on loading, and it was just like hanging there. Okay, so when promises were reduced like introduced, there are two conditions. First is resolve, and the second one is reject. Either you will get your data, or either you will not get your data. Okay, I have used the example of Abhiram and Bhargav. Okay, these two friends, they gave money to each other. Okay, Bhargav gives money to Abhiram. Abhiram has two options: either Abhiram returns the money, or he does not return the money. Okay, so two options are here also. Okay, and I already explained, but due to like internet issues you're not able to get it. I understand. Let us see, if we have time we'll explain it again. Clear? Okay, still not getting. Those who are watching from phones, please switch it to laptop. Okay, Arshad, I'll try to slow down. Okay. Okay, let me give you the attendance. Today, I don't know why there are so many issues. MongoDB registration. Also, I've shared a link, right? No, no, this is not. This is my Excalibur link. If you look here, I have attached a MongoDB Atlas registration video, okay, in the drive itself. Okay, you can go and check out that video, okay, but we will try to do it in class. But just in case, if you are unable to register, because we have to register for Atlas also. Internship already done. Sir, once again repeat. MongoDB registration, I will explain again, don't worry. Okay, let me share the attendance link. Okay.
Can I send it on YouTube also?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
What's
Which one?
on YouTube? I'm saying because session got stuck.
Yes, yes, please. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'll share the attendance link. Okay. And Miss Pratiksha is sharing it on YouTube. Okay. Just see. Okay. I am giving it in chat box. And Miss Pratiksha is giving it on YouTube. Okay. So I've shared the attendance. Please fill your attendance. I am giving you like 4 or 5 minutes time. You will get it in your dashboard only, I think, for NASCOM. I've shared the attendance and Miss Pratiksha has shared the attendance on YouTube stream also. Please check it out. Okay. Give you 2-3 minutes time. Please fill up the attendance and let me know. Okay. I've shared it in chat box. Okay. And Bhargav Prasad, thank you. He has shared the MongoDB Node.js developer path link. And Mr. Rohan would also be sharing you the MongoDB learning path for SmartBridge. Okay. Rohan, please share the MongoDB Node.js associate developer path SmartBridge link. Okay. That SmartBridge one's link. Attendance link has been shared in chat. Please check. And Miss Pratiksha shared it on YouTube also. Okay, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Just look into it. And Mr. Rohan has also shared the MongoDB learning path link, okay, for SmartBridge. You do not have to use any other link, okay? If you use another link, you will not get the certificate, okay? So please make sure you use the learning path from SmartBridge, okay? Otherwise, you will not get a voucher.
Hi, Rohan. Are you there? Rohan, are you there?
Uh-huh.
Please send that attendance link in YouTube. I am unable to send. I'm sending, but they're not getting.
Okay.
Try it once. Let me know if it is possible to send or not. I'll check with Ganesh.
Okay, guys, attendance done. So let me share my screen. Those this is the attendance link for today. Okay. Those who are facing trouble in getting the link on YouTube, just see. This is the link, okay, for today for attendance. You can take a screenshot or you can use Google Lens. Okay. So take a screenshot or use Google Lens. This is the attendance. If you are unable to see it in the chat, okay, just see. This is your attendance link, okay, for today. Okay, please share it with your batchmates and friends. So this is the attendance link for today. I have pasted it in Zoho chat box. Rohan has also provided it. Pratiksha has also provided it in YouTube, but due to some reason, it is not visible. So I'm putting it on my screen. See if you can take a screenshot or use Google Lens. Okay. Or take a photo and use Google Lens to like open it. You can do that. Or you can just like type manually after clicking the photo or taking screenshot. Okay. So this is the attendance link. Okay, guys. Okay. I think ample time has been given. Let us start. Just give me a moment. I hope now my voice is okay because my internet speed is sir in sir my Atlas registration. What should be keep project name? Project 0. Keep it 0 shake. Which link? NASCOM link. Okay. This is the NASCOM link. I'll share it. So NASCOM link I have shared. Okay. In a Telegram, if you look Santosh, I think there would be. It would be there. Okay. Okay, let us start. Let me have some water. Wait. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. Let me drink water. Hope my voice is also clear. Okay. And my screen is also shared. Okay. So everyone got the attendance link. Okay. This is the attendance link. And this is for YouTube, guys. Due to some reason, you are not able to get the link. So take a screenshot of this and fill your attendance. Okay. And for Zoho people, we have already shared. Okay. Mr. Rohan has already shared. So let us understand it with code. What is this resolve and reject, and why are we like using it? And it is very important for React because we have to do API integration. So everyone, please open your React app. I have shared yesterday's code in Drive. Okay. Sorry. Let me open the practice React folder. Okay. So this is our React app. Okay. This is what we were doing. Now there is something missing. Can you tell me in my folder structure something is missing through which we will not be able to run scripts? Yesterday I told a folder is important for running scripts, node package manager scripts, npm scripts. I hope you guys remember that is node modules. Okay. So what I will do, I will first npm install. If you already have node modules folder on the left hand side, then it is okay. Otherwise, I will do npm install and you will see here that it is not working. Why? Because I am inside a wrong directory. Okay. I should be inside Pokédex. So I will change my directory. To Pokédex. Enter. Okay. Then what? npm install, because I do not have my node modules folder. Okay. See, now I'm getting my node modules folder. If you already have your node modules folder, no need to install. Okay. Now what is the next step? npm run dev, like this. Okay. And then I will control and mouse click and my app would be opened. So this was all the things that we did. We learned props yesterday. Okay. I'll close this, or I'll just put it here like this. So we have learned props data. How is it like an object? And we were stuck here. Okay. We were stuck here that this array also I want to print in my React app. So how will I do it? It is very simple, guys. Very simple. What you have to do? You see this array? Okay. I hope everyone has the code. Okay. It is there in my drive. Please look into it and you will see a notepad file which has all the steps for running the application. Okay. So let us start. So this is our array. Okay. And I want to display this array. Okay. So I am using higher order functions. Okay. I am using higher order functions like map to display. And interviews, they can ask like, why are you not using for each? Well, the answer is simple, because map returns a new array. I hope you remember like second week's lecture. Okay. So what I will do now, I will open this function. Okay. Here I will write fruit like this. fruit fruit. And here what I will do, I will open this and then I will write return. Okay. Return, and here I will write I think h1 would be okay. So I will write here div like this. Okay. And first I will write hello from map function. First write it this hello from map function. So let us see if our array.map is working or not. So see, hello from map function is working. Okay. And let me make it only one here in our app.jsx. I have used a lot. I will let me comment this out. Same thing, control and front slash will comment your file. So only one hello I will write here. Rest I will comment. Okay. Select this, control and front slash. Same thing, control and front slash like this. So it will comment out and I will only see Bhargav Prasad's and hello from map function. Okay. So I'm writing this. Okay. I'll comment this teddy bear also. And let it be only this. Hello, my name is Bhargav Prasad. Okay. And my age is this, and this array dot map function. I want to see this list of fruits. Okay, this array of fruits here. Okay, okay, so I want to see this fruits. So there are 3 items, so I'm seeing it rendered 3 times. Okay, because there are only 3 items in my array. Remember map function? If not, please revise. So what I will do here, I will display the fruit simply using this curly brackets, and here I will write the fruit, and it will return me the fruits. Please see, I am getting these fruits, whatever fruits are there in my array. Let me just close this and see. Just see here, guys. Okay, so I am displaying the fruits here. So I can use return, and I can use any div, or I can make it h1 also. H1 like this. Save it. Okay, it will look a little bit big. Okay, clear? Are you also able to are you able to get this output or not? Same I can do with object also. Same I can do with object also. If you want to use an object, you can use an array of objects also. Array of obj, array of objects. So I'll write an array, and I will write some objects here like this. Okay, only 3 objects I will write. Okay, and here I will write, let's say, name, shake, name, Chandini. Okay, name, Sneha. Let me check if still my voice is breaking. Still my voice is breaking. Is my voice breaking still? Okay, okay. So I have this array of objects: name Sheikh, name Chandani, name Sneha, and one more I will write. Why it is like this? So this is an array. Okay, inside this array I am making an object. One more I will write comma object like this, comma name Pawan. Okay, like this. Okay, so I have an array of objects. Okay, and normal array. How will you display Sheikh, Pawan, and Chandani? Okay, how will you do it? Can anyone tell me? Fruit I have told you. How will I do it? Can you tell me how would you show this array of objects? Also convert this into an arrow function. Line number 22. Let us see. Sir, explain one more time. Which part? Sir, class stopped in YouTube. I have already posted the problem to ops team. Uh, okay, they have noted it down. They are working on it. Just wait for 2 minutes. When class stopped, Lokesh? At what time? When did class stopped on YouTube, Lokesh? Sir, explain fruit topic. Okay, okay. For the past 20 minutes. Oh. Uh, During attendance, when you guys were giving attendance, I have already told ops team. Today there is some issue. My voice was breaking, and a lot of issues were there today. I don't know why. Okay, this fruit part you didn't understood. Okay, so see, you see this array. Okay, you see this array. So do you remember map function? If you do not remember map function, I'll quickly tell you. No need to write down what I'm writing. This is just for revision. Okay. No need to write down. Okay. So what part were you asking? Array, na? So const array. Okay. So there is like 1, 2, comma 3. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can use simply array.map. Okay, I hope you remember. Okay, and you can simply like use return and you can write name. Okay, and if I put it inside a variable like this, const x is equal to like this, and if I console.log the x, no need to write this. This is just for revision. You can take a screenshot. So see, with this map, you are able to display 1, 2, 3. Okay, understood. So you can, I'll just put the fruit emoji back. So you can actually see what is happening. Okay, so look at this. See what I am doing, same thing now. What is there in our array? These fruits. I am using a map function, but instead of returning normal name, I am putting this name inside this h1 tag, because this is not plain JavaScript, this is React. Okay, so this is a JSX syntax, this is JavaScript XML. So here I am simply returning, check out line number 4, sorry, check out this line, and then check out this line, line number 23. Okay, so I'm using this curly brackets to show it inside the React web page. Okay, that is what is happening. Okay, and that is what you will see it here. If you look here, okay, you are seeing the fruits. Yes or no? Correct. So similarly, for this array of objects, what you will do? What you can do? Same stuff, guys. Same stuff. You will write this curly brackets, then array of obj dot map, because this is an array method and you are putting inside an array. Okay, so here I will write, let's say, function, and I will write let's say obj something like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so I have this. Please keep in mind that there would be a rounded bracket like this. Like if you see here, maybe the syntax, you're facing problems with syntax. So see, look here, I have this rounded this curly brackets. Okay, then inside this I'm writing this. So this dot map has one rounded bracket, and inside this I am writing a function. So please make sure you look into the brackets carefully. Okay, now I will write return, okay, h3 obj. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this heading correct? Is this correct, guys? Correct, Kiran Babu. Correct, Santosh. See, correct. Both of them are correct. Okay, so I'll write here dot name. This is an object, right? This is an object. Okay, we use dot notation to get an object. Okay, so please keep in mind. Also, if you are you able to see this bracket? Let me use another theme. I think this would be better. Now, are you able to see the brackets? Just see. So this is the curly brackets of the outside. Then there is this function rounded brackets, and then there is your function's curly brackets. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Okay, any problem? Are you able to get the output like this? See, Sheikh Pawan Chandni, Neha. Okay. Okay, guys. Any problem? Uh, See, the syntax is confusing, but you have to practice to get out of this. Okay, you have to practice to get out of this. Okay, understood? Okay, so I'll just remove this. Okay, and let us understand more things about React. So regarding promises, if you want, I can revise it again. Okay, if you want, I can revise it again. Do you want me to show a promises example? Okay, because we have only done the theoretical part. Okay, for promises, let us do code also. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see promises in code. Okay, code is already there in the drive. I will share it once again. Okay, let us understand JavaScript code. Okay, so no need to write this. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I will explain it using code. Okay, so I am making a Coca playground. Okay, I am making a Coca playground and I will save it in desktop. I will not save it anywhere else. So I'm making a Coca playground. So let us make a promise. Okay, so the syntax of a promise is like it is very simple. Okay, it is very simple. So I will like make a promises in JavaScript, and then you will understand its usage in React also. Okay, so this is in JS. Okay, sorry. Okay, if you want to write, you can write it, or if you want to use it in React itself, you can use it. Okay, if you want me to do it, your wish. Okay, I'm leaving it up to you. So const promise. Okay, so I have made a Coca playground. Okay, I have. This is not. I'm not writing it in a JSX file. I'm not writing React. Okay, I'm using JavaScript playground Coca. Okay, so const. I'll write promise. So this is the syntax. New promise. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, I'll write an arrow function. Okay, like this. You can. I have a task for you. Convert this into arrow function. This function and this function. Convert it into an arrow function and paste it in chat box. Can you do it? Paste this. Or convert this into an arrow function. Let us see. Correct, Kiran Babu. Nice. Correct, correct. You can just remove the function here. Just remove the function keyword like this. Function keyword remove, and then here between rounded brackets and parentheses, you write this is equal to and less than equal to and join them. See, no error. Similarly, here also, I will remove this function keyword and equal to and less than equal to operator, and then I will join it. So done. Arrow function done for both. Here also I am using an arrow function. This is a callback function. Functions inside a function. Okay, I hope you remember. So there are two parameters that you have to pass: resolve, comma, reject. Resolve, comma, reject. Okay, resolve, comma, reject. Okay, then I will open it. Okay, then I will open it, and then we will understand it more clearly. So I will open it. Okay, and let's say you have a heavy logic. Okay, and let's say const, what should I write? Let us use a very simple name. Okay, let us make it if success, or let's say success only. Success true. like this. Okay, so imagine that your function call or operation is successful. Okay, just imagine we are simulating that experience. So imagine that it is successful. So what you have to do, if it is successful, if success is equal to true, okay, what will happen? You will have to use resolve. Sorry. Else, what you have to do? You have to reject. That's it. Done. This is what it is. Okay. If it is successful, you will write, you will put it in resolve function. If it is reject, you will put it in reject function. Okay. So let's say if data is loaded, let's say, okay, if data is loaded from function, let's imagine, okay, operation successful, successful, I got my results. Okay, let's say. Okay. If rejection, then oops, I got error. Okay. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. So the if the condition is true, okay, if you get something, okay, whatever function you are calling, if it is successful, then you will get your result. If you will have any error, it will directly go to reject. Okay, there will not be any pending state. It will not hang or it will not be stuck. Either resolve or reject, nothing in between. Okay, and how will you view the data? How will you view the data? How will you view the results of promise? To view the results of promise, okay, there are two things, which is then, sorry, then and catch. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this promise variable. This promise variable, you see, promise, then I will use dot then function like this, and then dot catch function. You will tell me which resolve will go where and reject will go where. Let us start with reject. Reject will go in then or catch. Let us see. Kiran Babu. Correct Merua, correct Santosh. Okay, so it is a standardization. Whatever error you will have, it will go here. Okay, and these functions then and catch, they also take a small callback function like this. They will also take a small callback function like this. Okay, so you can write a console.log here like this. Okay, and a console.log here like this. Okay, see, they are also taking a callback function, and here I will write, let's say, data. I can console.log this data. Okay, similarly here, okay, I will write, let's say, error. It catches error, so here I will write error. Okay, clear, 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 guys? Any problem? So I think this one liner is not working. So let me put it in curly brackets. Okay, that will work. So let me put them in curly brackets like this. Oh, now it is working. So when I put them in curly brackets, now it is working. So let me put them in curly brackets and format. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is the thing. I formatted it. You can right click and format document. I am using this shortcut only. Okay, so here it is. So you will chain the operation, like you will chain the functions first, then function, and then catch function. So see, when it is true, it is showing operation successful. I got result. But let us make it false. See, oops, I got an error. Okay, so either you will get data or you will get error. You will not get a pending state, or you don't have to wait. All the modern applications are fast, especially Node.js apps, because they use this methodology. Otherwise it would be, you will be waiting for results. Okay, you would be waiting for results again and again. Okay, so with this methodology we understand that, okay, this is what it is. Okay, and now you'll understand it. Let us understand it more clearly by using a real API. Okay, let us use a real API. So what we will do, we will get a Pokemon data. Okay, we will get a Pokemon data, and what I will do, I will make a function const. Okay, let us, oh sorry, let us call a Pokemon function right here. Okay, so very important, get real API, which is in the form of array of objects. Okay, array of objects like this. Okay, I hope you know it is like this. Sorry. Okay, so it is like this. So what is API? API means application programming interface, if you do not know. Okay. So application programming interface is, it is just a way to communicate with your, uh, with your front end. Okay. And every API will have different rules. There is RESTful API, there is SOAP API. A lot of APIs are there. The APIs usually in JavaScript world is written as an array of objects so that we can communicate properly, and most of them are written in JavaScript object notation, which is JSON. Okay, so we will try to call them using promises. Okay, so let us do that. So what I will do, I will write, let's say, get Pokemon data like this. Okay, get Pokemon data. Okay, let us make an arrow function like this. Okay, okay, so this was old way of getting promises. New way of getting promises is try catch block. Okay, so new way of including, or should I say using, promises is async await. Okay, async await. Async means asynchronous, await means await. So using async await keywords. Okay, and instead of using try catch, we will use, sorry, is then catch, my bad. Instead of using then catch, we will use try catch. Okay, so new way of using promises is using async await keywords. Okay, and what we have to do, get real, let me get real API. Okay, data. Okay, get real API data. How will we get real API data? I'll include the link. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll show you the documentation. Okay, but first let us understand modern. This everyone understood, like two conditions are there. Here also two conditions are there, try and catch, like this. So try would be for if data is resolved. Okay. And if this is if you get error. Okay. So if your data is resolved and if you get error, you have to write it in this block. If you are trying for data, you have to use this block. Okay. Okay. So you are trying to get data. Okay. So let us write it first here in the catch block. I will write console dot error. Okay. So you can write console dot log also, but console dot error will give you like red in your dev tools in Chrome. Okay. So console dot error. Okay. Like this. And here I will write error like this, comma error. Okay. And for trying for our data, I will write const response is equal to await. And this await keyword will wait. Okay. It will wait for the function to run. Which function? Here we are using fetch. Okay. So fetch is an inbuilt function in JavaScript, which helps us in getting API or any function call which is very logic heavy. Okay. So this is the fetch function. And you see this red line in await. Why is this? Because I am telling I am waiting for something. I am waiting for a function to get resolved. Okay. So you have to use this async await as pair. So this await, what you see here, you have to write async like this. Okay. If you do not write async, it will not work. That means this function that I am making a call, okay, this whole function, this is not a normal function. Okay. This is your asynchronous function. Asynchronous, when we will look into Node.js, you will understand it more clearly. But for now, understand it in this way, that you can run multiple functions at the same time. Okay. You can run multiple functions at the same time. Okay. Just understand it in this way. Okay. When I'll introduce you to more asynchronous topics in Node.js, you'll understand it more clearly. But for now, understand it like this. Okay. Imagine uh, like there are multiple things running at the same time. Okay. So this is one thing. Now what I will do, I will convert this data, okay, this response data that I am getting, okay, into JSON. So I will write response dot JSON like this. Okay. So here what I am doing, I am converting data, okay, or should I say like parsing? Okay. We are parsing JSON. Okay. We are parsing JSON. Okay. We are converting normal JSON data, okay, into readable object. Okay. So it is in JavaScript object notation. We will convert it into normal text, and then we will console.log like this. Okay. Now what URL you will put here? What API you will put here? You will put Poke API. Okay. You will put Poke API. Let us understand it. Okay. So this is the Poke API. Let me search Poke API. If you look here, this is the Poke API. You see this URL, you just have to copy this URL. You see this URL, you have to copy this URL. That's it. Okay. This URL is your proper data. Okay. It is your proper API. Just copy it. Okay, just copy it. And let us check if we are getting anything. I'll copy it, this URL to check. You can paste this URL in your browser also, and you will get something like this. So this is your array of objects that I was talking about. This is your API. So you will get all the information of a Pokemon, which is like Ditto here. Okay. So you're getting all the data here, and we will get this data and put it here. But because I'm running it in a playground, I won't be able to see it. Okay. So what you do, guys, you can use this data and put it and attach it into an HTML document. Okay. So I will also do it. I will just save this to our old file. Just give me a moment. Okay, we do not have it. So let me make a promises file on desktop. Okay. So we will use it. Okay. And attach it into a HTML file. Okay. Just give me a moment. So I have to make this is my promises.js. Okay. I have to make a new file. Okay. Actually, just give me a moment. Let us write here, promises. Okay. And let us move it here. Okay. Just give me a moment. So I am moving. Okay, I am moving my code into another folder because this is pure JavaScript file. Okay, so this is pure JavaScript code that we have written. Okay, so what I will do, I will attach it and we will see whether this function is working or not. So let me just again copy this. Okay, and use another Coca file. Okay, just give me a moment. Coca new JavaScript file, and let me see if it is working. So it is not working. Oh, I have made a classic mistake. Sorry, guys. I have not called the function. How will it run? My bad. Okay, I have not called the function. Sorry. So I have made a classic meme mistake. I didn't call the function. Please call the function, guys. Call the functions and you will see the data. This is the data. Okay. All the data I am seeing, guys. All the data I am seeing. All the Ditto data I am seeing. Let us remove Ditto and make it Pikachu. So you will get Pikachu data. Okay. Yes. Yes, I think. Yes, lightning rod ability. This is Pikachu. So see, this URL is hitting in America. And from America, you are making a function call. This URL you are getting from somewhere else. Okay. URL, which is actually our API. Okay. Which is actually our API. Okay. You are calling it from somewhere else. You are calling it from somewhere else. Okay. So when you are calling it, you are getting the result. But if you get an error, let's say like this, let remove this H. Okay. And it will go to error, but it is a playground, so it is not going. So tomorrow what I will do, I will make this another HTML file and I will attach this JavaScript code there. Okay. So please do that, or you can take it as a homework that attach this HTML into an HTML file, and then you can actually see it. You can actually see it here in your console. Okay. Just see if you can display results in your console. Just do that. I'll make the H again. Okay, because it is not showing me the error and all. Or you know what? Let me copy this. Let me copy this. And let us clear this. Why is it not clearing? Huh. Okay. Let me paste this here. Why is it not pasting? Mhm. Okay, it is to prevent DDoS attack. Uh, Wait, let me just copy this a little bit. Okay, I'm not able to paste it. Otherwise, I would have shown you that it can catch error also. Okay. So don't worry. Take it as a, I'll just save it. You can take it as a take home assignment. Okay. Your wish. Okay. Your wish, guys. If you want, you can do it. I'll just cancel it out. You already have this code. Okay. So somewhat you're understanding that we were calling this function. Okay. We were calling this function and we were able to get the data. Okay. If you will get, if this is your resolved data and this is your error data. Okay, so if you will get any error, you will get it here. Okay, and I also didn't call, so please call your data. Same we will do it in React also. Let me move this to our AppShift folder. This promises one, so you can at least study this part. And let me export it as a PNG. Okay, so I am moving it. Okay, I'm moving it in this file. Where it is. Okay, inside this folder only. Okay, so in this folder only, we have this. So I'll just move this folder. We will look into it again tomorrow because due to voice and all, everyone missed promises introduction. Okay, so let me see if I can do it tomorrow also. Okay, and also we have not written much in today's code. Okay, it is just like tomorrow. There's nothing new. Okay, so try to connect it with the JavaScript, with an HTML code. Okay, if you can connect it, then well and good. Okay, so because we have to make, okay, this is our agenda. We have to make an app. Okay, we have to make an app, and also we have to like start hooks. So, but I wanted you guys to know promises, because if you will not know promises, you will be like, "Arey, how are we getting this?" So at least understand that there are two states. Okay, first is resolve and reject. Okay, your friend will return the money or your friend will not return the money. There are only two things when you are working with heavy call functions or very large operations. Okay, otherwise if you do not include promises, if you use some normal function without async await, or if you will let's say you do not use catch, let's say you do not use async await, your normal function would be stuck. Okay, so to avoid it, we are using async await. Okay, so due to some interruptions today, we were not able to maximize our learning. uh, Sorry, I forgot to look into chat. Okay, okay. Sir, can you explain Pokemon function data code? Okay, okay, I can explain. See, understand. Just give me a moment. Okay, listen. Okay, see. See this, guys. You see this, if I write normal function, let's say, if you write normal function, okay, normal function, what will happen? Okay, it will get stuck. It will get stuck. Okay, you will not get any results. You will wait, and you will not get anything. Okay, you will only wait. Okay, so you will wait. So how to overcome it? We used the modern modern way of handling function, modern way to handle hello, hello, hello. Okay, listen. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Okay, listen. So since there was a lot of interruptions, is it okay if I repeat some topics tomorrow, like promises and all? Because there was this streaming problem also today. Is it fine? Then on Saturday's doubt session, I will take 1 hour class. Is it okay? Because a lot of you have problem, and I understand that the class was also very fast, and okay now. So also on Telegram we have shared the attendance link. On YouTube, please tell your YouTube people, okay, that fill the attendance on the Telegram. You guys also fill it on Telegram, okay? Everything that was done today I will repeat tomorrow, okay? By the way, I've shared it on this drive folder. Those who have drive folder, please look into it. I'll add more material. Okay, but what has been there discussed today, I'll again repeat it tomorrow because there was a lot of disturbance. Yes, Bhargav Prasad, we will go through entire code. Please tell your friends at 4:30 on Telegram group. Uh, shared we have shared attendance link again. Please fill the attendance, guys. Everyone, redo the attendance. Redo the attendance, everyone. Okay. Uh, Please try to fill the attendance form because this is for YouTube guys and for Zoho people also. Please check. Yes, Lokesh, we will do it tomorrow. Whatever has been missed now, whatever doubts, we will do it tomorrow. Okay, today was very much disturbance, and I do not like a lot of things were missed. So YouTube streaming also was problem. So those who are watching from YouTube, I am extremely sorry. Okay, that you went through this trouble. Okay, so I'm ending this session. We will do everything tomorrow. Those who are watching from YouTube, please fill the attendance again. The attendance has been shared. It will be active till 5:30. Please, everyone, do the attendance. Okay. Yes, Bhargav Prasad, we will explain everything tomorrow. I will explain everything tomorrow. Today was a lot of disturbance. I will explain everything tomorrow. Okay. Everything what has been covered today will be done tomorrow. Okay. Whatever has been covered today, I will explain tomorrow. Those who missed the session or those who are facing attendance problems on YouTube, please go to Telegram. YouTube guys, go to Telegram, fill your attendance. This is most important. Zoho guys, you also, and YouTube guys. The stream was getting shut down. Okay, the stream was stopped. YouTube video was stopped, so you were not able to see the attendance. Go to Telegram right now and fill your attendance, everyone. Okay, go to Telegram group and everyone fill your attendance. Whatever has been covered today will be repeated tomorrow. Okay, I am ending the session right now. Okay, guys. Okay, let me close this session. Bye, guys. There was a lot of disturbance today. Okay. Okay, bye guys. Please tell everyone to fill the attendance. Okay, it will be active till 5:30. Everyone who is watching from YouTube, please tell your friends and batchmates to fill the attendance. Okay, ops team has shared it on Telegram also. Okay, it is active till 5:30. Everyone fill the attendance, please. Zoho guys, you also please check. Okay, and everyone who is watching from YouTube, please fill the attendance. Okay, and I'm closing this session. Whatever has been taught today, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you for your time. Bye, guys. And sorry for today.